ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे फ्रॉम 17-20 दातव्यम इति यद्दानम अप टू 17-22 आदेशकाले यद्दानम दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयतेनुपकारिणे पदच्छेदे दातव्यम इति यद्दानं दीयते अनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतं पदच्छेदे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम् यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः पदच्छेदे यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलम् उद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतं पदच्छेदे दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तत् दानं राजसं स्मृतम् अदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते पदच्छेदे अदेशकाले यत् दानम् अपात्रेभ्यः च दीयते असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं तत्तामसमुदाहृतं पदच्छेदे असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं तत् तामसम् उदाहृतं वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम् I have the columns here. अनुक्रमांकः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः दातव्यम् इति यद्दानम् अनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च दीयते तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम् यत् प्रत्युपकारार्थं तु फलं वा पुनः उद्दिश्य परिक्लिष्टं च दीयते तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतम् यत् असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं दानम् अदेशकाले अपात्रेभ्यः च दीयते तत् तामसम् उदाहृतम् अव्ययशः अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः यद्दानं दातव्यमिति देशे काले च पात्रे च अनुपकारिणे दीयते तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतं यत् सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं दानं दान गिफ्ट डोनेशन नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं दातव्यं दा धातोः तव्यत् विशेषणं दातव्य अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं दातव्य टू बी गिवन पेएबल टू बी रिस्टोर्ड और रिटर्न टू ओके इति अव्ययम एज सच देशे देश प्लेस पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनं काले काल टाइम पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनं च अव्ययम एंड पात्रे पात्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं पात्रं पातिरक्षति अधेयम् आधेयं पिबति अनेन वा पाष्ट्रन् ड्रिंकिंग वेसल कप जार a vessel or pot in general patre nidharyardhyam any sacrificial vessel or utensil a receptacle of any kind recipient dainyasya patratameti reservoir then the different meaning a fit or worthy person a person fit or worthy to receive gifts vittasya patre beya adeshakale yaddanam same shloka has been quoted अनुपकारिणे अनुपकारिन् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम् अनुपकारिन् adjective not obliging ungrateful not making a return for benefits received worthless useless दीयते दा धातोः कर्मणि लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं दा दान दाने भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् टू गिव और दा डुदाय दाने जुहोत्यादि तृतीयगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् टू गिव टू प्रोवाइड टू डोनेट टू हैंड ओवर तत् सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. सात्विकम सात्विक विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. सात्विक एडजेक्टिव. सात्विकी फेमिनिन. सत्वगुणेन तत्कार्येण मनसा वा निर्वृत्तः ठै. रियल, essential, true, genuine, belonging to or derived from the sattva quality. Ye chaiva satvika bhava. Caused by internal feeling or sentiment as of love, internal. Tadbhuri satvika vikas vikar apasta dhairyam acharyakam vijay man mathamam virasi. This is Malvika. Satvika, an external indication of internal feeling or emotion, one of the kinds of bhavas in poetry. These are 8. Stambhasvedota romancha, swaravangota vepathu, vaivarnyam ashrupralaya, ityashtau satvika smrutaha. Smrutam, smrutato ukta visheshanam smruta. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. स्मृत पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. स्मृत remembered, recollected, called to mind, regarded, laid down, recorded. Regarded seems to be a good meaning here. Mentioned. प्रसूति भाजस सर्गस्य तावेव पितरौ स्मृतौ. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं वा पुनः फलमुद्दिश्य परिक्लिष्टं च दीयते तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतं. तु अव्ययम्. However, प्रत्युपकारार्थं प्रति उपकारार्थं प्रत्युपकारार्थ विशेषणम् अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं. प्रति उपकारः अर्थः यस्मिन् तत् प्रत्युपकारार्थं बहुव्रीहि. प्रत्युपकारः कंचन प्रति उपकारः प्रत्युपकारः. Obligation unto someone. Pratyupakarah, returning a service or kindness, requital of an obligation, service in return, mutual assistance. Artha, in some of its senses from artha, in others from ruthan. Arthate yasau arthibhi. Object, purpose, end and aim, wish, desire. ज्ञाता अर्थोज्ञात संबंध श्रोतुम श्रोता प्रवर्तते. सिद्धार्थः अर्थपरिपंथी अर्थवशात्. स्मर्तव्योऽस्मित्यर्थे. Often used in this sense as the last member of compounds and translated by for, intended for the sake of, on account of, on behalf of, and used like an adjective to qualify nouns. अर्थेन तो नित्य समासो विशेष्य निग्रहता च. वार्तिकम. संतानार्थाय विधये. देवता पितृतिथि क्रियार्थाम धेनु. द्विजार्था यवागु. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र. It mostly occurs in this sense as artham, arthe or arthaya, and has an adverbial force. Kimartham, for what purpose, why. Yadartham, for whom or which. Velopalakshanartham. So different examples. Sukharthaya. Rituparnasya cha arthaya. Va avyayam or punaha avyayam again. Phalam, phala, fruit or result. Napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Uddishya. Uddish dhatoho levantam. Uddishya indeclinable. With reference to, aiming at, in the direction of, towards. Vadhyashilam uddishya prathitaha. For the sake of, on account of. in the name of Twamuddisha, on thy account. Kim, for what purpose? Kim Uddisha, on what account? Nimittam Uddisha, for some cause. Twamuddisha Sabhajanaksharaణi, in your name, Twamuddisha. Demanding, stipulating for. Pariklishtam, Pariklish धातोः उक्त विशेषणं परिक्लिष्ट. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. परिक्लिष्ट past participle, vexed, troubled. राजसम, राजस विशेषणम, नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. राजस adjective, rajasi feminine. Rajasa nirmitam, un, relating to or influenced by the quality rajas, endowed with the quality rajas or passion. Urdhvam gachanti sattva, etc. Different references from 14, 18, 7.12, 17.2. यत् असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं दानम् आदेशकाले अपात्रेभ्यः च दीयते तत् तामसम् उदाहृतम्. असत्कृतम्, असत्कृत विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. साधुकृतं सत्कृतं, न सत्कृतं असत्कृतं, न तत्पुरुष. असत्कृत, not honored, disrespected. यच्चावहासार्थम् असत्कृतोस्. Oh. Done from improper motives. Asatkrutam, bad or wicked deed. Asatkrutam avajnatam. Yeah, this sloka has been quoted. Avajnatam, avajna dhatoः उक्त विशेषणम् अवज्ञात. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अवज्ञात past participle, disrespected, condemned, disregarded. ज्ञानम् अवज्ञातं तत्तामसम् उदाहृतं. Same sloka has been quoted. आदेशकाले, आदेशकाल पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. देशः च कालः च देशकालः, द्वन्द्वः. न देशकालः अदेशकालः, न तत्पुरुषः. देशः प्लेस, कालः टाइम, आदेशकालः इम्प्रॉपर प्लेस एंड टाइम. अपात्रेभ्यः, अपात्र विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगं वा चतुर्थी बहुवचनम्. न पात्रः अपात्रः वा, न पात्रम अपात्रम, न तत्पुरुषः. पात्रम, पाति रक्षति, आधेयम, पिबति अनेन वा पाष्ट्रन्. Drinking vessel. I had discussed it earlier, just repeating for the sake of ease of reference. Vittasya patreve and all that. आदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते. Same श्लोक has been quoted. तामसम, तामस विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. तामस एडजेक्टिव, तामसी फेमिनिन. तमः अस्य अस्ति, तमः अस्ति अस्य, अन्, डार्क, कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ डार्कनेस. व्यतिकरे वै भीमस्तामसो वैद्युतश्च, affected by or relating to tamas or the quality of darkness, the third of the three qualities of nature. Ye chaiva sattvika bhava rajasas tamasascha. Ignorant, vicious, tamas. Udarhutam, udarhu dhatoh ukta visheshanam, udarhuta. Atra napuskalingam prathama ekvachanam. Udarhuta, past participle, said, uttered, tat tamasam udarhutam. अन्वयार्थ ओवरऑल में. यद्दानम् अनुपकारिणे दातव्यम् इति देशे काले च पात्रे च दीयते तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्. The gift danam, which is given without thought of recompense, anupakarini, in the belief that it ought to be made, datavyam, in a fit place, at an appropriate time, and to a deserving person. Such a gift is pure satvikam. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं वा पुनः फलम् उद्दिश्य परिक्लिष्टं च दीयते तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतं. But what is given to get a return of favor, or again with a view to a fruit, and which is very much vexed, that gift is held to be of the रजस. यद्दानम् अदेशकाले अपात्रेभ्यः च असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं दीयते तत् तामसम् उदारतम्. And that which is given at an unsuitable place, adeshakale, or time, or to one who is unworthy, apatrebhya, or with disrespect, asatkrutam, contempt or contempt, such a gift is the result of ignorance. छंदो विश्लेषण. दातव्यमिति यद्दानम् अष्टक्षाणि ति यद्दा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे दीयते उपकारिणे अष्टक्षाणि पकारि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका देशे काले च पात्रे च अष्टक्षाणि च पात्रे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम् अष्टक्षाणि त्विकं स्मृ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् सप्तदशाध्याये 20तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थम् अष्टक्षाणि पकारा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः अष्टक्षाणि शवापु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका दीयते च परिक्लिष्टम् अष्टक्षाणि परिक्लिष्टम् एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतम् अष्टक्षाणि जसं स्मृ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् सप्तदशाध्याये 21तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. अदेशकाले यद्दानम् अष्टक्षाणि लेयद्दा एतेषां मात्राः द्वे 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 अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते अष्टक्षाणि श्चदीय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातम् अष्टक्षाणि मवज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे तत्तामसमुदाहृतम् अष्टक्षाणि मुदाहृ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. प्रथमे पादे अपवादः. अन्यथा अस्मिन् सप्तदशाध्याये 22तमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. The dictionary meaning anupakarin, not obliging, ungrateful, not making a return for benefits received, does not match with the phrase in Anvayarthaha overall meaning given without thought of recompense. Commentary Bhashyam of Srimad Shankaracharya reads much better. Anupakarin pratyupakara asamarthaya, unto one who is incapable of repaying, or samarthaya api nirapeksham, and to one who may be capable of repaying but it is basically given without thought of recompense. The word pariklishtam in respect of rajasam dhyanam brings to mind enticing offers of marketing gimmicks mentioning in fine print terms and conditions apply. It is those terms and conditions which make the offer dhanam complex, pariklishtam. Rockefeller was a famous American businessman, also a philanthropist. Were not all his philanthropies subject to a condition that his name must get projected? As against this, in almost all temples and shrines, there are donation boxes for devotees to put their offerings, with no association of the name, who offered, what, how much. All those offerings eminently exemplify yad dhanam datapyamiti diyate, the gift which is given in the belief that it ought to be made, anupakarine, without thought of recompense. But many devotees could be making the offering with the thought that the deity will either grant their wishes or will alleviate their suffering, which is basically phalam uddeshya, though not pariklishtam. Opposite of deshe kale cha patre cha in 17-20 is adeshe kale apatrebhya in 17-22. The word apatrebhya in 17-22 has chaturthi bahuvachan, because it is Purushavachakam, human Karmapadam. That brings to mind a quote in the Phalashruti part of Sri Ganapati Atharvashiyam. It says, Idam Atharvashisham Ashishaya Nedayam Yo Yadi Mohat Dasyati Sa Papiyan Bhavati. Initially, I wondered why there is this prohibition that a sacred text like Sri Ganapati Atharvashisham Ashishya Nedayam be not mentioned to an Ashishya. Basically, how do I judge whether the person with whom I am interacting is Ashishya or Shishya? Connecting this with Apatrebhya in 17-22, Apatraha is Ashishya. Even when I was debating in my own mind about the prohibition to transmit a sacred text, I came across Idante tapaskaya na bhaktaya kadachanam nacha ashushrushave vacyam nachamam yobhyasuyati 18-67 from Gita. Never should this be told by you to one who is not austere, a tapaska, who is not a devotee, a bhakta, nor to one who has no wish to listen, a shushrushu, nor certainly to him who traduces me, mam abhyasuyat. Comes to mind a subhashitam. Upadesho hi murkhanam prakopayana shantaye payahpanam bhujanganam kevalam vishavardhanam. Advice given to fools makes them angry and not calm them down. Just like feeding a snake with milk causes only his poison to grow. Often there are many options for what to give. The following Subhashitam is interesting. Annadanam mahaddanam mahadanam vidyadanam mahattaram annena kshanika truptir yavajjivantu vidyaya. Giving food to eat is of course great charity. Imparting knowledge is greater. Food gives temporary satisfaction. Knowledge is lifelong. Even when this is true, comes to mind an anecdote of Buddha. One disciple of Buddha was keen to enlighten a person, but the person was in no mood. The disciple took the person to Buddha. Buddha said, right now this person needs food, not knowledge. There are many charities where there is no direct relation between the donor and the recipient. For example, blood collected in blood donation camps. Some people do contend that any donation in charity should be secretive, Guptadana, not at all pronouncing what or how much is given by whom, unto whom. This is one way eliminating all ego from charity, which is good. Donation boxes in temples and the shrines perfectly serve that contention of Guptadana. Apart from eliminating all ego, Guptadanam has no chance of being termed as given at an unsuitable place or time, adeshakale, or to ones who are unworthy, apatrebhyacha, or proving to be asatkrutam, inappropriate charity, or avadnyatam, inviting disrespect or contempt. Putting donation into donation boxes conforms to the convention that if you are visiting a temple or a shrine, you should put some donation in the donation box. It is a datavyam danam. Does that datavyam danam or gupta danam become satvikam danam? I am not sure. Thinking of danam come to mind two English words, charity and philanthropy. On the internet, I get charity provides immediate emotional relief to alleviate symptoms of specific social problems. For example, donating food. While philanthropy takes a strategic, long-term approach to solve the root causes of these issues. For example, funding education or research. Charity is often a quick reaction to immediate needs, whereas philanthropy aims to create lasting structural change. May I consider that charity is born out of compassion, daya, whereas philanthropy is largesse, generosity, audarya. Most actions involve a trinity, karyam, karanam, karta. The task, the action, the doer. See, कार्यकरण कर्तृत्वे हेतु प्रकृति रुच्यते 13-20. So, deyam, danam, data. Also, grahyam, grahanam, grahita. Actually, an act of charity becomes satisfactory only when there is a good one-to-one correspondence among deyam, danam, data on the one hand and grahyam, grahanam, grahita on the other. Any mismatch, such as danam given at an unsuitable place or time, adeshakale, or to ones who are unworthy, apatrebhyacha, results in that danam proving to be asatkrutam, inappropriate charity, avajnatam, even inviting disrespect or contempt. So one have to be very conscious, full of conscience, even when doing charity. This Gita Abhyasa is studied for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padacheda, Vakyamsha Vishleshan, Shabdabhyasa, Chando Vishleshan. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech, if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukhai for self-containment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my updated blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.